Math 7, Lesson 6.6, Scale Drawings and Models. Scale drawing, a two-dimensional drawing in proportion to an actual object. So for an example, a map that represents an actual city, that would be a scale drawing. A scale is a ratio that compares the drawing distance to the real distance. So a scale would be, take for instance on a map. So 1 inch on a map is equal to 112 miles. So that's what a scale means. Now a scale model is a three-dimensional drawing in proportion to an actual object. So for example, a small model of a building would be a scale model. And a scale factor tells how much larger or smaller the scale model is. So a scale factor would tell the scale model compared to the actual object. So let's do some examples of this. Number 1, on a map, 1 inch represents 37 miles of an actual distance. If city A is 3.5 inches from city B on a map, what is the actual distance between city A and city B? So we would do this by, first of all, let's draw point A to point B. And on a map, this is going to be 3.5 inches. So we're going to take our ratio, which is 1 inch, is this, and the actual amount is 3.5 inches. This is on the scale or on the map, and that is going to be compared to 1 inch represents 37 miles. This is in real life, and we want to know how far that distance actually is. So once we set it up, then we are going to cross multiply. So we're going to multiply these two together. And these two. We're going to do the math on that, and we're going to get that x equals 129.5 miles between city A and city B. Let's take a look at number 2. The length of a scale model of a car is 7 inches. The actual length of the car is 182 inches. What is the scale factor of the model? So again, the scale factor is that's going to be the scale model over the actual object. So when we take a look at that, we see that our scale model is 7 inches and our actual object is 182 inches. So now we're going to find a common factor, which is going to be 7. So we're going to divide top and bottom by 7, and that's going to reduce down to 126. So 126 is the scale factor. Again, the scale factor is the scale model over the actual object. Then the second question down here is the scale model an enlargement or reduction of the original car. So the scale model is a reduction of the original car. That means it's smaller than the original car. So the answer here would be reduction. The model is smaller. Some more examples. Number 1, we're solving for t, so we can cross multiply. 18t equals 63 times 2. 18t equals 126. Divide by 18, divide by 18, t equals 7. Number 2, cross multiply, equals 2a. So 5 times 2/10 is 1, equals 2a. Divide both sides by 2. And a equals 1/2. That's just some review. Now we're going to, on number 3, find the actual distance in feet given the scale length. The scale is 1 inch for every 12 feet. So number 3, your scale length of a kitchen is 12.5 inches. So we have 1 inch is the same as 12 feet. And we have 2.5 inches is what we're actually looking at, and we want to know how many feet that actually is. So that's our solving for our x. Cross multiply, 12 times 2.5 equals x. And we multiply that out, and we have x equals 300 feet. Okay, let's take a look at number 4. Our scale length of a closet is 1/8 of an inch. So again, our scale is 1 inch for every 12 inches. So that we're going to start with that. 1 inch equals, or I'm sorry, for every 12 feet. 12 feet. And we're going to divide that scale factor by how much we actually have. So the scale length of the closet is 1/8 inch. And we're comparing that to the real amount, which is what we're trying to solve for. Cross multiply. And we have 12 over 1 times 1 over 8. And that's going to be equal to x. So our final answer is x equals 1 1/2 feet. Number 5, our scale factor in this one is going to be 1/6. So we have the actual length of the window is 100 inches. So our scale factor is 1 to 6. So 1 is the scale amount, 6 is the actual amount. And so we have the actual length of a window is 100 inches. So it's going to be over 100. And we are going to solve for the scale length, which is the smaller length. 6x equals 100. When we divide that out, we're going to get x equals 16.6 with the repeatant inches. Number 6, the actual height desk is 27 inches. Our scale factor is for every 1 inch, it's going to be 6 times more, the actual amount. And so our actual desk is 27 inches. And we want to know what the scale length is. 6x, equals 27. Divide both sides by 6, and x equals 4.5 inches. Number 7, we want to find the scale factor given the scale model length and the actual object length. So if we remember back at the top, our formula for scale factor is the scale model over the actual object. So with that in mind, our scale model is 36 inches and our actual object is 1,440 inches. So when we go ahead and reduce that down, we're going to divide by 36 over 36. That number goes into both of those, and our actual answer is going to be scale factor equals, we're reducing 36 over 1,440, and that's going to be 1 over 40. That's our scale factor. Number 8, for a bus, our scale model length is 2.4 inches. Our actual object is 240 inches. So we're going to move that decimal over 1, which means we add a 0. So that's the same as 24 over 2,400. I'm going to divide top and bottom by 24. And that is going to be our scale factor. I'm just going to call it SF for now, is 1 over 100.